First order of the day. We've got a stack going to the same person. We've got Mr. Maple Donuts and McDonald's. $13 and change going 8 miles.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. Would you be using the mobile app today?
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Morning. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $7 going 3 miles.
There you go.
Thank you. Next up, we've got a Black Rock coffee. This one is $7 going 4 miles.
Here's that one.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Next order up is a Chick-fil-A. This one is $6 and change going 2.5 miles.
Yep.
Thank you.
What are you doing?
Got this next one right away. It is a Burger King, $6 going 1.5 miles. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $9 going 4 miles, 3 items. This one should be really, really easy. Going back to Safeway for this one. We've got another shop and deliver. This is $10 going 4 miles, 2 items. Got the next order right away. This is a McDonald's, $10 going 4.5 miles. That's mine, yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next up, we've got a stacked Burgerville. This is $11 going 5 miles. No drinks on either of them. It must be my lucky day. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $8 going 3 miles, 4 items. Next order up, we've got Don Pedro. This one's $9 going 4.5 miles. Looks like they're giving me an add-on order. This is Starbucks, $7 going an additional 2 miles. For Mari?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Call will be recorded for safety and security purposes.
Nice. Love that.
Camera recording.
Okay, I think it's time to start heading home because I'm kind of starving right now. Current time is 10:02. Current total, we are at 93. And I think we're waiting on Uber tips, so whenever they come in, I'll throw up the total. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.